So NFL trademark expiration usage. I'm currently designing a video game using basically defunct teams. And I was wondering if there's anything out there that there'd be some claim of infringement for old, unused NFL teams.
Ooh, I love this question.
I know. I can't. I'm trying to think of another name of a team right now. Like
Yeah, I'm trying to think of like some defunct.
Oilers,
What's that?
maybe the Houston Oilers.
Oh yeah, they're not around anymore.
Where did they go? In the '80s, a lot of weird. Well, I
And
guess
certainly a lot of teams have moved around the country.
it was like the Redskins recently, right?
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, that was the trademark issue for years and years and years. That was like the whole scandalous trademark thing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's your hunch on that? Does NFL retain rights in those now defunct?
Yeah, good question. So in order for them to actually enforce any trademark rights they'd have to have a registration at the United States Patent and Trademark Office. So that's where you should start. More likely than not, the NFL does not own these team names. It's going to be owned by the individual organization groups that own the teams themselves.
Okay.
I mean, my hunch is that these names probably are not still registered, but you're going to want to look for each one of them before you do anything about it. If they're not registered, I mean, there's still the opportunity that someone could claim that they have common law rights in the name if they're still using it for those particular products or services.
Yeah.
So I guess ultimately tread carefully, but the policy behind trademark registration and eventual abandonment is that, at some point when these trademarks abandon, you can pick them up and use them however you want, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
We want trademarks to be working for us. So if they're not being used, they're, dead weight essentially. So yeah, I follow up with an attorney, have them take a look at it. Maybe you have a list of names in mind in particular. Now, what is common in the NFL though is like logo reiteration. So logos change over time. And generally speaking, those teams keep their old registrations alive. So even if they change the logo, they're going to keep the old vintage logo alive.
Okay.
And to do so, they have to claim that they're continuing to use the trademark. So if you noticed in the last couple of years, JD, you have like Throwback Night.
Yeah, right. That's why?
That's part of the reason why.
Ooh, that's so good. That's
So,
good.
they're not abandoning use of the trademark because they're using it maybe once or twice a year, but they're still using it.
That's so good.
So, someone like me couldn't come along and just say, hey, you've abandoned the trademark. You don't consistently use it. I can use this logo now. And they say, no. We use it. We still, merchandise it. We sell them. They're available for sale. Our players wear them once a year, so we haven't abandoned.
That's cool. That's fun. Yeah, it makes sense now. Like, oh yeah, there's the retro outfits and all that. There's love it.